Today, I'll show you how to merge two videos using OBS Studio in a way that's quick, simple, and perfect for beginners. Whether you want to combine clips for YouTube, presentations, or your next gaming highlights reel, by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to smoothly blend two separate videos into a single recording, all within OBS. So let's dive in and get your videos working together. First up, open OBS Studio on your computer. If you haven't used it before, OBS is a free, powerful tool for recording and streaming, and it works great for editing simple projects like this one. Take a moment to look at the interface. OBS can look a little busy if you're new, but don't worry, we're only going to need a few basic panels here. Now, let's add your first video file into OBS. Look down at the bottom of the screen and find the source panel. This is where everything you show or record in OBS starts. See the small plus icon underneath? Click that, and from the list that pops up, choose Media Source. This is OBS's way of letting you play video or audio files. When prompted, select Create New Source and hit OK. You can give your source a name if you'd like, which helps keep things organized, especially when you work with multiple files. The next step is to load in your actual video. Click the Browse button, and then locate your video file on your computer. Take a second here if you need. Finding the right folder can sometimes take a little digging. Once you have the file chosen, just click OK, and you should see your video appear in the preview window. If you're merging two videos, repeat the same process. Go back to the source panel, hit the plus again, select Media Source, create a new source, browse to your second video file, and click OK. Now both video sources are ready for you. Before we start recording, it's important to prepare which video shows up at what time. Next to each video in the source list, you'll see an eye icon. This eye icon controls visibility. Think of it like turning a light on or off in a room. Click the eye icon to hide all videos for the moment. You want your recording to start with a clean slate. Now, to actually merge your videos, you're going to use OBS's recording function and the visibility toggles. Ready? Go ahead and hit the Start Recording button. At first, your canvas will be blank. That's intentional. When you're ready for video 1 to play, click the eye icon next to its source to show it. OBS will start capturing that video on your recording. When the first video finishes, click the eye icon again to hide it, just like flipping off that room's light when leaving. Then reveal video 2 by clicking its eye icon. OBS will switch over smoothly and continue recording the second video. If your videos are different lengths, don't worry. You control exactly when each one is shown, so you can merge them as seamlessly as you need. When both videos have played through, just hit the Stop Recording button. OBS will save your work as a new video file. Now you've got both clips joined together in order with just a few clicks. And that's it. You've just merged two videos using OBS Studio with complete control over the timing and look. If you made a mistake or want to get fancy, you can always repeat the process or play with transitions and overlays next time. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this helped you create something cool today. If you found this tutorial useful, please give it a like. Leave a comment if you have any questions or need more OBS tips. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy guides just like this one. See you in the next video.